Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This case is made by JAME. I believe that's how you pronounce that. If it's not correct, please forgive me. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this case. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the JAME or JAME for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Slim, soft bumper protective case for the Samsung S22 Ultra. Invisible ring holder kickstand. It says again, there's a redundancy there with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but that's what it's for. This is the picture right here. As you can see, it's got the ring in the back. Now I want to see if this will wireless charge with the ring on the back. A lot of them don't do that, but these are some pictures right here of the case, military grade, shockproof. Nice and slim. You can use it as a kickstand as well. You got the ring that you can use, and you can put it on a magnet if you had a magnet in your car. All right. Now you got different colors. You got red, black, blue, green, pink, purple, silver. $14.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. All right, let's pull. Here's a box that comes in. Phone case. Kind of got embossed letters on the back, on the front. A few of the features right there: double layer, unique, cool design, environmentally friendly. Let's pull this out. All right, get this card out. I mean this foam out. Now the case is not a bad looking case. You got a smooth back, so that might be a little slippery. You see how that holds up when you put the phone inside, but it's got the dual layer right there. You can see that. And you can't separate that. TPU inside. It's got a little pattern inside there. Here's the opening for the S Pen, the speaker, and the charging port, the mic hole right there. And you got your mic hole up top, and you got your volume down rocker and your power button right there. Camera, it's going to be protected. You see it's recessed right there, so that'll be protected. And you got this area right here. You can get your finger right there to open that up, even if so it worked pretty well. And you can use this to help hold the device, or you can use it for a kickstand. Let's see. So that's that leads back pretty far. But I guess if you put it this way, I guess you can do it different ways. You can move this around if you need to make the kickstand work. Okay, let's see how you get this side up. So that works right there when you put it like that. So different angles as well. All right. Now we're going to get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like, okay? Okay, here's the S22 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put this inside and see what it's like. See how this fits. Okay, so a nice tight fit. Doesn't feel too bulky. As you can see, the camera is well protected, so that's not going to be a problem at all. You can see that. And you got your volume down rocker. The power button works, no problem. And you got your opening for your S Pen. You can get to that. It's got enough room there, no problem. And you got your speaker and your charging port and your mic, all that's open. You can see that fits well. And you got your mic hole right there. That lines up pretty well. You see the hole right there. So that's pretty cool. Now the lip, you got a little lip right there and a lip right there. And the sides come up kind of high. So it's kind of almost flush with the screen. So you might be able to use a screen protector, but it'll protect the sides all right. Now this case is a little smooth on the back. It's not too slippery. Not as slippery as I thought it was going to be. You got that TPU bottom and TPU top. But it's a nice looking case, okay? And as you can see right there, this sides are smooth. You know, that's I'm a little concerned about that, but otherwise it's pretty good. Now you can hold a case like this to be able to use this ring to help you out when you're holding this case. That's some more security right there. And it will hold the phone up as well, all right, for like a kickstand. You can see that right there. And you can do different angles. Now you can't do different angles. At least you can turn it around the other side and get a different angle if you wanted to. So the more angled right there, all right. But that's pretty neat, and it looks good. Well, I want to check out the wireless charge on this to see how that works. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's go ahead and put it on. Let's see what happens when we put this on. So it doesn't charge with that magnet, at least. Yeah, so you're not going to be able to get wireless charge with this case on due to that magnet in the back. Okay, so it doesn't work at all. And if it doesn't work in this position, it's not going to work in any position. That's the one thing I don't like about this case, all right? Now, it's a nice looking case and everything, but you're going to have to use your cord to charge it because it will not work with wireless charge because of this magnet right here. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the JAME shockproof case with the magnetic back and ring kickstand. It's a pretty nice case, but it just won't do wireless charge, so that might be a deal breaker for some. It's a deal breaker for me. I probably wouldn't be using this case on a regular basis. I like the wireless charge. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.